You sit with all these emotions. And I'm not a violent guy. I'm a pacifist. But I tell you, I was telling my wife, I said, if I'm diagnosed with level 4 cancer, I'll probably take that gun and go and sort that guy out. And those kind of thoughts are really because it is not instigated by me. That's the thing. You need to handle all these negative emotions, but it's not you that's doing that. It is other people that is enforcing that upon you. Now, from a psychological point of view, you need to stop that negative emotions. We've spoken in my videos a lot about that. I just wanted to tell you that it's not always us that's causing the negativity. Back to the story. Now, the SAP ombudsman came back and they said, we believe you do have a case, actually. And that went to the commander of the police station, which was a captain. And that man, I want to personally thank him. He phoned me and he said, I do believe that you do have a case. Can I please come and visit you? I said, by all means, please do so. And we stayed 120 kilometers away from where he was. So he went to all that trouble and came through, and we had a wonderful chat about the situation.